Friends, it's been a few months since I did one of these what's in my wellness box, so I figured I would go ahead and show you what I ordered this month, what I got free, and the upcoming giveaway I have. So stay to the end and you can find out how you can win some stuff. If you haven't heard of it before, Young Living has a program called Loyalty Rewards. So that's the new name. It's Loyalty Rewards. So it's basically any other monthly subscription thing that you order. You get a box to your house every month. With the Young Living ones, you get points for every order over 50 PV, which is great because then you get other free product. And every month they have some fun loyalty rewards gifts with purchase. So it's a great way to order what you need to, and then you get some little extra bonuses to get your stock up like I have over the last few years. So the first thing up that was in my box is Sulfur Zyme. So this, I love this stuff. It is amazing, and I don't even know how exactly it works, but it works so good. It's great for supporting joint health. It's great for recovery time after exercise, bone health, metabolic functions, immune system, and it's also great for your hair and your nails. So for the longest time, I was taking this every morning, and then Young Living, it went out of stock. So I completely just forgot about it, and it recently came back in stock. So I started ordering this again, and I take this every morning. I take a tablespoon of this, I put it in about 4 ounces of water, I add about 2 inches of Ninja Red, and I take that as my morning supplement every morning, and it's amazing. And I'm noticing a huge improvement in my hair, which for a while my hair was getting so brittle and gross, and I figured, well, I'm just getting old, that's what's happening. But then started drinking this again. Guess what? My hair's getting a little bit nicer. So that's my first one. Second one is Super Cow Plus. So this one is great. I take this actually to bring up my magnesium. If you've never had yourself tested before, test. A lot of people are deficient in magnesium. I use that vessel test, and I'll put a link up above to the little review I did. It's super simple little test you can give yourself each morning, and it tells you your levels. So I knew that I was really deficient in my magnesium, so I've been taking this one to boost that up. But it's also great. It's got vitamin D, vitamin K, and calcium in it too. So I take that one every day. The oil, if you've seen any of my other videos, I pretty much order this thing every single month. It's called Immu Powder. Immu Power. And so I use this for my son. He's got Hashimoto's. So I put this in his diffuser every single night. And it's so funny now because even if I forget to go in there, I'm a little bit late, he brings his little diffuser down to me and it's like, Ma, put this in. So he likes it, I like it, and I think it's improving his health. So we get that every month. And the other thing that I ordered was oregano. So this one I use a lot just to boost my immune system. Again, if you follow me before, you know I have an autoimmune disease. So anytime I can get something to boost my immune system is amazing. So this one is really great. This one's also really great if you're making pasta or any type of Italian dish and you don't have any fresh oregano. You can add just a tiny bit. This stuff is super, super powerful. You can add a little bit to your spaghetti sauce or any other dish that you're making if you're missing oregano. If you do, I usually do take this internally. I put it in a little veggie cap. Make sure that you put some other carrier oil in it. I use grapeseed oil, so I'll put just 2 or 3 drops of oregano oil in a veggie cap, and then I'll fill up the rest of the veggie cap with grapeseed oil. It is very powerful, and if you don't get some other fat soluble in there, you will be burping it up. It's not very pleasant when you burp it up. Okay, so that's actually what I ordered. It was kind of a small order this month, but I got a lot of free gifts with purchase. So they had a really awesome selection this month. So the first one, I don't remember the orders and I forgot to write them down. So I'll put a link to what the price points were. I do know at the $100 level, they were, you got 10 loyalty points. So they did take away the free shipping, which is a bummer, but I can't blame them. I mean, shipping nowadays is so outrageous. So they don't offer the free shipping anymore, but they gave us 10 points so we can use that to purchase other stuff. So it's kind of like giving us a $10 credit towards shipping is kind of how I saw it. So that was the 190 I think was these two. Don't quote me on it. Like I said, I'll put the link down below because I meant to look it up before and I forgot. But one of them was called it's one of the kids scents lines. It's called Owie. So this one is great for adults and for kids. It's part of the kids scents, meaning that it's already pre-diluted. So it's got a little bit of a carrier oil in it already, so that's why it's great for kids, but you could also use it on adults too. And pretty much what the name is, Owies. It's great for Owies. All right, so the other one I love is Stress Away. And I usually order this one every month, so I'm glad it was a free one, so it's kind of nice. Again, the name, Stress Away, amazing. I call this Beach in a Bottle. I just love this one. A lot of times when I'm working, I will diffuse it. That's really saying anything, but yes, I like Stress Away when I work. It's even great. Sometimes I'll put Stress Away and a little bit of orange oil in there. It's a great scent and it's really nice. And then also I do sometimes put it on topically, usually either on my wrists or even like just on my neck area. So I love this one. It's great smelling oil. The other one, which is another great smelling oil, is Citrus Fresh. So I love diffusing this one in the kitchen. It's got such a bright scent to it. There's so many other things you can use it with, but that is like probably my number one thing is to diffuse it. It's also great to add into like your Thieves Cleaner or any of the other, you could even do it with baking soda. Do baking soda, a little bit of this is a great like carpet refresher or couch refresher. Great for that. So many great uses. And the other one that was free that I got was Citronella. This one, funny enough, everyone's like, oh, citronella, that's for outside, for the bugs. This is actually a really good one to diffuse in your kitchen or in somewhere else to get rid of odors. So if you like cook something and it was really strong, this is really great. And actually, you know what? Never tried it. Probably should try a little Citrus Fresh and citronella together. Bet you that would be amazing. So it's really good for that. I also use this one. I love to use this when we're camping. I'll put a diffuser right outside our camper door and I'll just diffuse this right in front of the door to keep the little buggies away. So that's a great one to have. And then this month also was this cool travel diffuser. So this is a really nice, it's made to fit like in your cup holders. I purchased one of these when it came out. I think it was last summer. So I use this one a lot for our RV when we're camping, or if you have to go on a long road trip, it's great. And because I already have one, this is the giveaway, you guys. I still have this one brand new in the box. So I'm gonna be giving away this and the bottle of Stress Away. So the link will be down below, but I also want you guys to comment, where do you wanna go this summer? Anywhere, imagine. Put it in the comments, let me know where you want to take a summer trip. I know sometimes it's kind of tough these days to travel around, but it's always great to imagine. So go ahead, put it down below, let me know where you want to go, and go ahead, take a look at some of these other cards, look for other great tips and tricks on oils, and if you have any questions, go ahead and let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!